Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to withdraw DogeCoin to your Binance Exchange account, whether you are looking to trade your dog or simply store it on Binance. I will guide you through each step. First, you will need to start by logging into the wallet where you currently hold your DogeCoin. This could be a mobile wallet, a desktop wallet, or even another exchange. Ensure you are connected to the internet and have your wallet ready for transactions. Next, log into your Binance account, navigate to the wallet section, and click on the flattened spot. Search for dog in the search bar and then click on deposit. This will generate a deposit address for your dog coin on Binance. Copy this address carefully. Now, go back to your Dogecoin wallet and find the option to send or withdraw. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier and enter the amount of dog you want to transfer. Double check the address to avoid any mistakes. After entering all the details, confirm the transaction. Depending on your wallet, you might need to enter a PIN, confirm through email, or use two-factor authentication. Once confirmed, your dog will be sent to Binance. Finally, log back into Binance and check your flat and spot wallet to verify that your dog coin has arrived. The transaction should show up in your deposit history and that's it. Your dog is now safely stored on Binance. And that is how you withdraw dog coin to Binance. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.